Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Racer PNG3 full gauntlet street gloves. The Racer PNG3 glove retails for $119.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing first. This glove is really soft and supple, right? It's made with some super soft cowhide. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on right now, and I lean more towards the upper end of the scale. These things feel great. Because they're so soft, they're going to break in a little bit for sure, which is going to influence a bit. These things are going to be perfect within the first ride for me. The previous owner of Racer US, he had a note in there thinking that these maybe ran a half size small. We're benchmarking our stuff with every brand, every common brand out there. You can see all of it on the website. I would disagree with that and say that these run true to size, and I want you to expect a little bit of break-in because they're so soft and supple. Who are these gloves right for? This is, without a doubt, a street riding gauntlet glove. You could use this maybe for some entry-level track days. If we're going to do more track duty or hardcore street duty, I would rather see it gravitate towards the high racer, the high purr, the high speed in the Racer line, as they feature a palm slider, which I think is a critical feature for a race glove. These, I want you to think very minimal break-in, all-day comfort, solid ventilation. We've got some perforation in between our fingers, reflective piping, carbon knuckle protector, perforation here on the thumb, reflective piping, little protection there for the end of the ulna. Dexterity in the wrist feels really good. Motion panel here on the other side of the carbon knuckle protector. That's so when you wrap your fingers around the handlebars, the glove moves with you instead of really pulling on the glove. Get to the palm. Touchscreen compatibility, which is a nice feature on both the index finger and the thumb. We have an additional layer of cowhide right here with some Keprotec to protect that vulnerable crash area right here. Right, so you got some padding there, some additional abrasion resistance. You can dial in the fit of your gauntlet right here with leather and Velcro. This is a lined glove, so it's very comfortable. You slide your fingers in this thing, they fit and feel great. Super soft, street use is what I see this one being for. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right glove for your next ride.